Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, my name is Ellie and I make the occasional fashion related video on this channel. Happy New Year to you guys and happy Lunar New Year to those who do celebrate. This is my first video for this year and I do really wish I could put out more videos on a more consistent basis, but that's just not realistic, especially since I do work heavily into the evenings and the weekends for my job, so there isn't the most time for me to really dedicate to planning videos and filming videos, so I apologize about that. Today, as you guys can tell by the title, I'm sharing with you guys one of my really fun and happy purchases this year. And the bag that I want to show you guys today is my Chanel mini rectangular in this beautiful cognac caramel color. This is actually called brown, but as you can tell, it's not really what we would think of when we think about brown. It is a beautiful tan color that to me is just a really standout neutral. And I've been searching for this bag for a few years now, and if I had bought this bag back then, I would have been able to save a lot of money, because for some reason this bag or bags in this color family have been very popular, and so because of their popularity and the high demand, they are going for extraordinary prices, even secondhand. So this one I did purchase secondhand, just because it is a style that's no longer made. It is the mini with the 4 grommets, which I do love and prefer, and it also is kind of a grained leather caviar type material. It's not true caviar, I would say, because most people think of the more hardy pebbled look. This one is a soft kind of grained leather. It isn't lambskin, so it's still going to be pretty durable, but it is not the true caviar that we see more commonly, and so it is still also pretty soft and flexible, and so you can really kind of pack a lot in this tiny little bag, and that's why I love this particular design. So this one comes with the silver hardware. Although normally I do prefer gold hardware, I think the silver looks fine with this bag. It doesn't really pop. It kind of just you know, it's understated, but it doesn't blend in, and then you can dress it up or dress it down. I really love this, and it is exactly, I think, the same style, design, and year as my black one, which I showed in my last video. So this bag has the classic structure with the flap design and the CC lock front here. It has just a single flap and then a single compartment as the main compartment. It has the zip pocket in the back and also the slip pocket right there, and then nothing else. This bag, when I purchased it, didn't come with anything else, but I did have it authenticated to make sure it was authentic. So this is my new bag that I bought earlier this year. I will include some mod shots and maybe a clip of what I usually put in there, but I wanted to share this with you guys because I'm just so excited to be able to get my hands on this and add this to my collection. Although I use the term collection very lightly because I am not here to just collect any old bags. I have particular colors and styles that I have my eyes set on and that I am intentionally purchasing so that I can use them, and so that my wardrobe can benefit from it, essentially. So love this. There is a similar color that is currently out this season, that I think is also called brown, and I don't know how it compares to this. It may be very similar from the way it looks, but it just has light gold hardware, and it's lambskin instead of caviar. So I have been eyeing that and wishing for it and maybe considering a small, but that bag is so hard to come by, and if you buy it from a reseller, it's like thousands above the retail price, which is just insane. So maybe if a couple years from now the color demand for this particular color family dies down, I will look into possibly buying something like that, but I'm not in a desperate need for that bag because I have this one and it is more, and it ticks more of the check boxes for what I really want. So I love this. I am using it quite often already, even though we're not going anywhere really, but I've thoroughly enjoyed it as much as I can considering the circumstances. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. I would really appreciate that. And I will see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye.